Hello, and welcome to the walkthrough of TickTrack, the all-in-one time and project management tool designed for freelancers and anyone looking to optimize their workflow. Let's dive in and see how TickTrack can transform the way you manage your projects. Start by adding a new task using the Quick Actions menu. You can easily track all your active tasks in the Ongoing section. Link each task to a specific project, set a due date, and seamlessly start or stop the task you're working on. Once completed, TickTrack will automatically calculate the time it took to finish your tasks. The Tasks Overview and Timeline view provide an intuitive snapshot of all your today's tasks, upcoming tasks, and completed ones, making it effortless to stay organized and on track. Below, you'll find the Current Projects section, showcasing all your active projects. This area provides focused views organized by status or client, ensuring you can quickly find exactly what you're working on. In the Current Clients section, you'll find all the clients with active projects. This area displays the time you've already spent, the amount made, and the specific projects you're working on for each client. The Project's Timeline view highlights the time between the start of each project and their last action. This makes reviewing past projects straightforward and effortless. The Invoices dashboard is divided into 3 sections. The first section, Drafts, contains invoices that haven't been fully filled out yet. The To Send section displays finished invoices that are ready to be sent to your clients. Lastly, the Awaiting Payments section shows invoices that you've sent to clients but are still waiting for their payment. The last view on the main page is a calendar that shows your completed and ongoing tasks in a weekly or monthly format, including their start and end times as well as the time needed to complete them. You'll also find a calendar for all your planned tasks, which you can directly start from there. Next up is the Tasks dashboard. Here you'll find an ongoing view of all your current tasks and today's completed tasks. Once you finish a task, it will automatically move to the right. As you can see, the task now displays the time it took to complete and the amount earned based on the rate set for the associated project. In this dashboard, you'll also find an overview of your tasks, a timeline view of your current and recently completed tasks, and a calendar. At the bottom, you'll find the All Tasks section, which displays a history of all your completed tasks, along with 3 other views organized by their current status. Moving on to the Projects dashboard, you'll see a gallery view displaying all your current projects, along with the total time spent and their progress. Below that, there's a similar view, this time organized by either status or client. Let's take a closer look at a project. Inside, you can update the status, associate a client, select a category, and specify the payment type. Once you've set the rate, it will show you the total amount earned and whether you're still within the budget. You'll also see the total time spent on the project and its current progress. Additionally, you can easily start a task directly from within the project. Below, you'll find a Complete Tasks view, displaying all tasks associated with this specific project. Just like the Tasks dashboard, this dashboard concludes with a timeline view of your projects and an All Projects section, displaying all your current and archived projects. Now that we've explored the Projects dashboard, let's shift our focus to the Clients dashboard. The Clients dashboard begins by displaying all the clients you're currently working with. You can view your clients in a gallery format as a list, or in a board view that shows the active projects for each client. Below that, you'll find a comprehensive overview of all your clients, including the total time spent, total projects, and total earnings for each. This is particularly useful if you have recurring clients. Within a client's profile, you can store basic information such as their email address and phone number, as well as view all related details tied to your time tracking. Below, you'll easily see the client's projects and invoices associated with them. The next key feature is the final main component of this tool, the Invoices section. Inside, you'll find the same dashboard as on the main page. However, below that, you'll have a comprehensive overview of all your invoices. A calendar is also included, giving you complete insight into all your invoices and their due dates. The other views allow you to filter invoices by their respective status, as well as access an archive for storing old invoices. Let's create an invoice. Inside, you can set specific dates, associate the invoice with a client, and link the relevant projects to it. The invoice amount is automatically calculated based on the projects you link. Each invoice you create comes with a template that you can fill out and then send to your customer by either sharing the link or exporting it as a PDF. With the main components of the template now covered, let's dive into the additional features. The calendar dashboard consolidates all the important calendar views within the tool, making it easier for you to find your information quickly. The same goes for the timeline dashboard. All timeline charts are gathered here to give you a more streamlined overview. Next up are reports. The operations dashboard highlights all the key statistics for your tasks, projects, clients, and invoices, providing you with a comprehensive insight into how you manage your work. And for the final report and feature of TickTrack, we have the time period reports. These allow you to generate reports based on custom timeframes that you choose. Let's create one together. Select a start and end date, give the report a name, and hit the refresh button. The report will then be automatically generated based on your selected time period, showcasing all the key information about your tasks, projects, clients, time worked, and earnings. The time periods dashboard displays two key sections. First, the current reports, where today falls between the start and end dates, and second, an all reports section that provides an overview of all your reports along with an archive. Time period reports can be pinned to the main page, making it effortless for you to track your current performance. And that was it. You've just seen how TickTrack can streamline your time and project management, making your workflow more efficient and organized. I hope this walkthrough has shown you the full potential of this powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.